What businesses still fail to understand is how much money outdated software is costing them. Your outdated software is probably slowing down your team and your growth. At POLYGONS, we have over 20 years of experience in software development, and we are specialized in modernizing legacy systems. That means taking outdated software and transforming it in something scalable, secure, built for the future. Your old systems don't have to hold you back. We work together with you, analyzing your current infrastructure, identify what's slowing you down, and design a modernization roadmap which fits your business goals. We ensure your systems are not just functional, but drive innovation and efficiency. And software shouldn't just work, it should accelerate your business. We have transparent pricing models so you can choose the best one for your current needs. Visit our page to see real examples and how we turn legacy software into a competitive advantage.